24-hour News 8's Ann Schieber spoke with the woman's attorney to hear her client's side. Ann?
Oh, Rick, the defense attorney says the victim was 9 months shy of legal consent to get married in the state of New York, which the defendant claims the two had talked about. 35-year-old Angie Jenkins and her 16-year-old victim sent nude pictures of themselves over the internet. Jenkins claims the victim sent his picture voluntarily. Federal law says no matter. Jenkins was convicted of receiving child porn and will serve 7 years in prison. Now, the relationship began over the internet video game World of Warcraft. The victim, from an affluent suburb of Buffalo, New York, was 15 at the time but lied about his age, and so did Jenkins. They eventually learned the truth about their ages, and a year ago, Jenkins rented a car to drive to New York to have sex with the teen in a mall parking lot. A prosecutor acknowledges the teen at the time was 9 months short of legal consent to get married, but the crime began when he was 15, and shortly later, she found out about it.
The troubling angle in the government's view is the psychological pressure and manipulation which she essentially exerted on the victim to continue the relationship.
Jenkins is the daughter of Marvin Dietz, the brother of the Saranac man who disappeared in a scheme to get his life savings. Dietz says he will comment on his daughter's case later. Jenkins' attorney points out that her client has had 2 bad marriages. One husband is now in prison. She gets no child support, and she fell deeply in love with this teen because she was desperate. At the live desk, Ann Schieber, 24-hour News 8.